Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today we're going to do a fun lipstick swatch video. And I just tried them all on. They are the new diamond lipsticks from House of Sillage, the new diamond powder lipstick colors. And there are 6 new colors. The formula is enriched with real crushed diamonds for extraordinary luster and firmness. And they do have that. They glide on, but they do really adhere to your lips. They're not slicky, oily, they're not perfumey. A really, really comfortable formula. It delivers a pigmented, full coverage satin finish for a luxurious, multi-dimensional effect. Enhanced with vitamin E and antioxidants to boost feeling of hydration to the lips. Blurs the look of lines and unevenness while adding shine and a smooth look. And the one I have on right now is the last one I tried, which was Royal Seduction. This one is like royalty, whose irresistible sensuality allures everyone in their path. A deep blue-based red that brings a euphoric rapture through its bold and powerful tone. Royal Seduction. And that is what I have on right now. So this is definitely, I think, the deepest one. The other ones, they may be just as pigmented, but they're not as deep. This one is probably I would say the darkest. The other ones are a little bit brighter. And another thing about these that's new, the name is written right here on the packaging, so you can see what it is when you take it out, because you're going to be putting it in and out of your lipstick case. And this is the lipstick case they sent me. It is the most beautiful blue color. I love the pink, I love the yellow. They're all just gorgeous. And so what you do is you buy the refills and then you put them in this lipstick case, and this is what you need to make them work and roll up. So the next one I'm going to show you, let's go ahead and do Royal Highness. Royal Highness, abbreviation for Her Royal Highness, is a bright berry-toned pink for the most powerful color statement, embodies essence of femininity. So the other one is a deep-based red. So you can see that is a more pink, and then that is a little bit more red. They're very close. All of these are pretty close. There's some that are brighter. Okay, and the next one is Maharani, which means ruling princess. A stunning, defining pink that adds the most vivid flare of color to your lips. The warm undertones ignite your complexion's glow, enhancing your radiant beauty. Okay, so what you do is you take the lid off, and then you just slip it right down in the bottom of your case, and it kind of snaps right in, and then you can twist it up and twist it down. Okay, so I think this one was one of my favorites. It's very bright, but it's very pretty. Like a flower, like a hibiscus. Just really pretty. So that is Maharani. And then you just twist it back down, remove it, put the cap back on it, and put it in your collection. Monarch, like the kingly and queenly sovereign figure, a bright berry-toned pink that delivers powerful color statement, bolstering the confidence of the wearer. When worn, it exudes an aura of awe-like wonder and beckons respect. We'll have to see about that one. So, another really pretty pink, just not as bright as the other. Next one is the Crown. It's this one right here. So you can see they're all vivid, brighter colors, but they're just a little bit different in each way. So this one, the Crown, is like the opulent hallmark of royalty that symbolizes power and authority. A powerful coral blossom pink. It's perfect for accessorizing and finishing touch like a bejeweled crown. So it is a coral blossom pink. I would say that, like a warm pink. The last one is the Royal. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I believe this one is a little bit more purpley, yeah. That is the Royal, like the prestigious power figure in a monarchy, a feminine pink, floral blossom tone for its regal wearer. So yeah, that's more of a cool tone. You know, the one I have on is Royal Seduction. It is the red. It is the blue-based red that brings euphoric rapture through its bold and powerful tone. So that's what this one is. And for the fragrance of the day, I have on this one. I think that my favorite fragrances from this line are from this Whispers of, it's like the Whisper collection. And this one is actually, I just looked it up so I could give you the notes, and I didn't even know that it is 25% off. Whispers of Enlightenment Parfum, manifesting your ultimate purpose in life. Okay, let's read the notes on that. Top notes are rhubarb, pink pepper, bergamot, peach, and orange. No wonder. I knew when I put it on it had to be something like that. The heart notes are rose, jasmine, absolute, and black currant. The base notes are vetiver, patchouli, caramel, solar notes, and moss. It is just a beautiful summer fragrance, and the cap is just beautiful. See how it's got the Swarovski crystals and the enamel? Just beautiful. For accessories, I just realized I didn't have any on, so I'm going to put on my Dean Davidson. These are the little, they're the smaller of the studs. I can't remember, knockout studs, the little mini knockout studs. And this is the blue Topaz. So pretty. And I think this blue color always goes well with gray. And then my ring is also the blue Topaz by Dean Davidson. And you know everything else. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to House of Sillage for sending those to me. This is not a sponsored video. I just thought it would be fun to try the different colors. And a lot of times you guys like to see me in brighter colors, and I figured this would be a good way. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.